Hey folks, this is Dr. K. A couple people on Piazza have asked for a short demo of Project 4, the Dreamcatcher. Here it is on a tablet. And for your screenshot that you turn in, please open up the controller package. And if you have a view package, open that one up, and a layout package, open that one up. Just show something, anything in Dream Fragment will be fine. Make sure you have your name, and make sure you have your app running on a tablet. Have at least 3 dreams in your screenshot. One of them should be realized, one of them should be deferred, and make sure you also have a detail view in your tablet screenshot. So this is the detail view of Plant a Tree, and I just wanted to, so this is a fine, something like this would be perfect to turn in, so we can evaluate all the elements. Okay. As far as functionality, you kind of saw that yesterday in the Q&A, but this is just a shorter video to show you what's happening. There's this is a recycler view, so I can scroll down. If I click realized on this, notice if I click realized, the icon displays in the list view. Of course, that's an important thing. If I click deferred, the icon displays in the list view. I can scroll up and down on this, so this is a recycler view. In my Dream comments, I have text here, and then the comment is styled differently. Used a spannable for that. You don't have to put it in light gray, just as long as it's styled differently. I don't care, but you should have the rounded corners on the buttons, and I showed you how to do that in the Q&A. What else? You should have a picture in your image view right there. If that picture is like 3/4, like 3:4 aspect ratio, like this is, please have black bars in there. So if you don't have a picture, let's see, I don't have a picture here, that please make that black. That'll just look a little bit better. What else? You should be able to create a new dream, take a dream photo. If I take a photo here, I'm not going to worry about, if you can take a photo with your webcam. If you can't, I'm not going to worry about that, okay? So just use the virtual photo. And by the way, this is, this tablet, I think, is a Nexus 9, and it's running API 26, I think. I'm pretty sure something like that. So here's a photo that I can take, and if you hold down the Option key on a Mac, I know you can move this around and get a unique photo. I think this is only, I think if you have the latest version of Android Studio or the Android emulator, it should do this for you. Not 100% sure what you need to get this virtual scene here. But anyway, I'm going to take this photo. So if you take the photo there, you should have a check mark. And then once you hit that check mark, it goes back, and that's your photo. Okay. All right, so that's, share dream. You should be able to, when you share a dream, you should get options that come up. That's the main thing I'm looking for, options that come up. And you should be able to copy to clipboard should be one of them. And you can place that in a text editor if you want, and you can display it in your screenshot if you like, but you don't have to. Okay, but you should get those options that come up. And also, if you click on this, I haven't not implemented this functionality in mine yet, but if you click on this, a dialog box with a larger picture should pop up. And for how large should your larger picture be, I think there's some posts on Piazza and it doesn't have to take up the whole screen. Okay, so I just want to see if you can click on this picture and click on this thumbnail and get a larger picture. And I think that's about it. I should say, make sure you double check your interface. Make sure you respond to my comments from my interface comments from Project 2. I always like to see a little border. Okay, nothing should be right up against the edges. This edit text is a lot of times by default that's up against the edge, so I think like I put 4 pixels there. I don't care if these lines are up against the edge like this one is. I'm not going to worry about that too much. Make sure your labels are the same style. Make sure the realized deferred boxes are on opposite ends of the detail view. And make sure, for the most part, everything is left aligned here. I know that this image view box goes a little bit far here. That's fine. I kept it this way. If you indent that too far, then you've got to indent the top too, or else it looks kind of weird. So that's fine. This would be an example of something that I can't right now see any problems in this. Okay. Make sure that your list of dreams, the separation is the same between dreams. You shouldn't have a lot of separation here and a little bit of separation here. And that's about it. The icons, make sure you have good icons that, say dream is realized, dream deferred, that you can tell about that. Okay, that's all I can think of. So good luck. If you have any questions, ask on Piazza.